Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Cardano truly is exchanging at 26 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.84% in every practical cent. Most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. ADA explicitly has a by and large complete market cap of $9,150,098,163 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $151,109,985, or so they generally thought. This essentially makes Cardano most certainly positioning at 7 in the digital currency market amazingly. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano basically be genuinely worth in 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought? Is Cardano a sort of wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023? Will ADA cost especially outperform its unsurpassed especially high in a genuinely significant manner? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which is very huge. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost truly is supposed to in every practical sense cross an exceptionally normal value level of 34 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to be 32 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Besides, ADA can arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 36 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the especially greatest cost for Cardano could generally stretch around 28 cents in a significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in June 2023 truly is 25 cents with a truly normal cost of 27 cents, or so they thought. Cardano value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Cardano cost generally is estimate to for the most part arrive at in a real sense the least cost of 27 cents, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ADA cost could really arrive at in every practical sense, greatest cost of 29 cents with the truly normal expected cost around 28 cents, exhibiting how might ADA cost certainly outperform its untouched high, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano value estimate August 2023 the in every practical sense. Normal cost of Cardano could truly go to 29 cents toward the finish of August 2023, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. ADA could sort of exchange around an especially greatest worth of 31 cents with the exceptionally least expected cost of 28 cents. Showing how Cardano value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the really greatest cost for Cardano could for the most part stretch around 28 cents in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Cardano value sort of is estimate to by and large arrive at a fundamentally the most minimal cost of 29 cents in an unpretentious manner. The ADA cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 32 cents with the in every practical sense. Normal expected cost around 30 cents in a significant manner. Cardano value expectation October 2023. The cost for Cardano in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 30 cents and 33 cents, or so they truly thought, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around 31 cents, which truly demonstrates the way that ADA could especially be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of 31 cents with the truly least expected cost of 28 cents, exhibiting how Cardano value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Cardano could basically stretch around 28 cents, which basically is very critical. ADA value estimate November 2023. The Cardano figure for November 2023 expects that the ADA may by and large arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 34 cents with a really least cost of around 31 cents, which in every practical sense is very huge. Discussing the really normal value ADA can explicitly stretch around 32 cents for November in a significant manner. ADA value figure December 2023. The Cardano gauge for December 2023 expects that the ADA may essentially arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 36 cents with an especially least cost of around 32 cents, which really shows that besides ADA can especially arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 36 cents in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the typical value ADA can truly stretch around 34 cents for December, which really is very huge. Cardano past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been fundamentally diminished by 0.31% in its sort of current worth in a quite large manner. On the off chance that we by and large look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday, you can in a real sense see that the market cap basically is likewise down in a genuinely huge manner. Cardano generally is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard within every practical sense. Other crypto coins, or so they really thought. The ADA fundamentally is down to nearly 4.64% in the kind of most recent 7 days and in every practical sense, huge way. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past especially couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have areas of strength for especially however. We don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment, or so they especially thought. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA generally diminished by 41.533%, wiping out an astounding fundamentally normal amount of 19 cents from its especially current worth. So the ADA in a real sense is down to nearly 4.64% in the very most recent 7 days in a genuinely large manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a kind of great generally purchase and open door for truly fast venture, which sort of is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 31.02%, and the cost especially flowed from a kind of least truly normal cost of 37 cents to exceptionally greatest really normal cost of 39 cents, the sort of beyond 90 days, which in every practical sense is very critical. Cardano in every practical sense is somewhere near 2.68% with the exceptionally greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin sort of was around 27 cents and the sort of least extremely normal cost of in every practical sense was around 26 cents and especially beyond 4 months, which generally shows that moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in June 2023 generally is 25 cents with a sort of typical cost of 27 cents in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Figure 2023 FAQs. What will generally be Cardano fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The ADA cost basically is determined to explicitly arrive at in every practical sense greatest degree of 36 cents with certainly least cost of 32 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing the way that discussing the truly normal value ADA can for the most part stretch around 34 cents for December, or so they sort of thought. Does Cardano by and large have a future, or so they especially thought? As far as value, Cardano in a real sense has a remarkable by and large potential to basically arrive at new levels, exhibiting that will ADA cost really outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is very huge. It in every practical sense is gauged that ADA will increment in esteem, in every practical sense. Further appearance how the ADA cost could by and large arrive at an especially greatest cost of 29 cents with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around 28 cents, exhibiting how might ADA cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high in a kind of significant manner. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business experts, Cardano can stir things up around town of the most exorbitant cost of $10.92 till 2030, showing how inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA by and large diminished by 41.533%. Taking out an astounding genuinely normal amount of 19 cents from its certainly current worth. So the ADA by and large is down to nearly 4.64% in the by and large most recent 7 days.